Continuing west across Canada, I stopped at the largest mall in North America in Edmonton, Canada. Sorry I don't have too much video about it. I had a few sleepless nights thinking about traversing the Dalton Highway, featured in one of the Deadliest Roads. The Dalton Highway, that long, rough scar running north through Alaska's spine, where the pavement gives up and the wilderness begins. In the fall, the tundra burns gold and crimson under a sky that can't decide whether it's dawn or dusk. The Alaskan pipeline keeps you company, a silver serpent threading through the mountains, reminding you that this road has a purpose. The Dalton also reminds you of its mean streak. It's known as one of the deadliest highways in America. Hundreds of miles of isolation, ice-slick grades, and truckers who drive it like the Arctic is chasing them down. Gas is scarce along this route. Miss a stop, and you might find yourself counting the miles in silence, praying that the needle doesn't kiss empty before the next outpost. Camping is plentiful along this route. There's wildlife that's always in the distance, lurking, watching, but doesn't always make themselves known. The air bites, and there's nothing but ice, industry, and silence. At the end of the road, it feels less like a destination and more like a secret the earth only shares with those stubborn enough and lucky enough to find it. All right, guys, thanks again for watching the video all the way through. Please like, share, comment. I got a lot of questions. Going to try to get those questions in videos coming up. Also, link in the bio for donations. Purchase your merch. Self-support it. Every little bit helps. And then I still need to talk about the 5 to 55, which is for my birthday. From now to my birthday, donating 5 to 55. I don't know what kind of details I want to put with that, but we're going to work on that. But thanks, guys, again for watching. More to come. We got to leave Alaska now. This is the official start of the Pan-American Highway.